fill up a car, you guys can always go up to a gas station and we can just pump it up. And to pump it up, just do this, and you can fill it up anywhere really. So you can even jump over it, but it's not gonna be that great. Right now it's full, so we're good to go. We can also pick up those gas things around the map, so there should be some inside here. So right now, right here is one of these gas cans. We can pick it up and we can take it for the road to keep gassing up our car. So if we want to gas up our car, same deal. We can just go on our car and gas it up. Right now it doesn't need any, but you just need to press this. This is R2 in order to gas it up. Right now it's full again, so I'm just gonna get in passenger. Alright, so right now it's out of fuel, so what we're gonna do is just fuel it up a little bit more so we can keep going. There is a truck coming our way, and if they hit you, yeah, they can kill you. And he got me. As you guys can see, you could just run over people in order to kill them. Now, if your own teammates hit you with their own car, it's not gonna take any health away from you. Another favorite place to land is Pleasant in order to get cars. Pleasant has quite a bit since it's a big place. As mentioned, in order to get into a car, all you have to do is press square, then accelerate, as so. And if you do have boost, which this one doesn't, you would press circle, but this one doesn't. So if you get one of these faster cars to boost, as mentioned, it's circle. You just hold on to circle, it's gonna go faster. Of course, you need a full tank of gas in order to go really fast. So you'll notice that these faster cars go actually maybe almost twice as fast as the other ones. Plus you do have that extra boost. And yes, you can even ride your cars on water up to a certain point. I'm just gonna get across. If you've noticed that your car is going very slow, it might be because you're almost out of gas. So it can only go at a certain speed, even the fast cars. You can even get in when an enemy is driving a car. Now there's no way right now of hitting them. Hopefully that's something that Epic will edit, because it only makes sense that if you're with an enemy, you would be able to hit them somehow. But you can just be a passenger, and they can't do anything to you either. If you want to kill somebody that's in a car, then one of the easiest ways is to actually get in the car with them. But you need a weapon. You cannot pickaxe them if they're in the car and you're a passenger. Obviously, we can always run them over. Take our car, drive it in water. Yes, they float. They indeed float. Up to a certain point. Then you're gonna start drowning, like so, and the car's gonna stay underneath the water. So you can't just stay in the car in the middle of the ocean or a river. However, what you can do, you still can do actually, even in a river like so, is get into the car. So we're gonna do that. To get into the car, just dive in, press square, and it's gonna kick you out right away. So yes, there isn't much we can do. Can we do this and then over it? And it's gonna be in there for a second. It's gonna keep kicking us out. And yes, we can go over water. You just have to go fast and go right through it, because you will float for a few seconds. And yes, if you're going faster with a faster car, sure, it's gonna be easier. Just gonna go back for that AI that we just saw there. I'm assuming it's an AI. Which just got eliminated. I thought it would survive there for a second.